Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Clubfoot running here. Today we're going to be unboxing the New Balance Fresh Foam Hierro X. If you guys want to check it out, definitely stick around. If you guys like today's content, make sure you like and subscribe, as I plan on posting a ton of stuff. So like and subscribe, follow us for more, and without further ado, let's unbox some shoes. All right, here we go. Unboxing the New Balance Fresh Foam. You guys will get the first look. And here we go. Y'all ready? All right. A little ASMR for you guys. All right, so now I have a foot that's a half size smaller than the other. So I opted for a 9.5 in these. And I also went with a wide to hopefully give myself a little bit of extra lateral cushion, we'll call it. That way I may, just in case I do supinate, we don't end up hitting anything with that styloid process. And we're gonna see how these bad boys turn out. This is supposed to offer really good midfoot cushion and pretty much good comfort all around from everything I've seen. These are also Dr. Scholl's blister proof socks or whatnot. Oh, them's feeling pretty comfy. This is my good foot, however. So the real interesting bit will be on the other foot. Which is this foot. As everybody can see, we got some, that's my up and down, and side to side is that's it. That's all we got. I'll actually make another video of my feet out of socks so everybody can see. We'll do that on another day. All right, both the shoes are on. Who doesn't love the brand new soles? All right, so we're now wearing the Fresh Foam Hierro X, and so far so good. They are really comfortable. I'm actually really glad that I went with a wide, and yeah, I think I'm going to give you guys maybe an ASMR here, because that would be awesome. So here we go. Yeah, overall comfort feels good. Good stability. Won't know more until we actually get out and start doing some running, but so far so good. I don't really feel any slip. Feels like it's got pretty good stability, like midfoot. And I've got some extra space, which is great. So I ordered like a lateral wedge, which is supposed to raise your heel on the lateral side of your foot, so the outside of your foot, just slightly, to kind of help take pressure off and to kind of prevent that pronation. So that'll be something that we're going to have to check out. I've also got a little bit of extra space in here, which will be great because that can help with me putting in my insoles, which will be even better. So yeah, overall so far so good. I'm going to post some follow-up videos on these over the next couple days so you guys can kind of check everything out, see how they're feeling, and we'll just kind of go from there. So thank you guys for stopping by, watching the video. Again, I'm Clubfoot Running. We'll see you in the next one.